Hey there, LinkedIn users. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add your promotion to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're using the LinkedIn app on your phone or your desktop, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. If you're using your desktop, start by going to your profile. Scroll down to the Experience section. Once you're there, click on the pencil icon. Find the role you want to update, click on the pencil icon again, then click Notify Network. And toggle it on. And make your changes. Don't forget to click Save. And there you have it. Now your network will be notified of your new promotion at work. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how you can use LinkedIn in your professional career and business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.